Hi, it's Luke here from Proactive, the instant reporting app brought to you by British Gymnastics. Really excited today to carry on our journey and work out how to set up users. So in previous videos, we've looked at how the company is set up. Within that, we have groups or teams that you're going to report against when instances or pre-session checks occur. And now we're going to need to add users, which will be the coaches or the volunteers within the club. Now, the way to think about this is obviously you've got your groups or your teams, and then you have your volunteers underneath it. So the users only need to be added to the groups that they're going to be working with, and therefore they can only report instances within those groups. And also the group admins, the people that run those groups, will only be able to see the instances associated with that group, so that we don't get any overwhelm in terms of seeing the number of instances reported, but also seeing instances relate to other groups that those users and coaches are in. So it's quite simple. We just head over here to the users tab. Once you've got together your list of users, obviously, the coaches and what groups they're associated with, you just pop in here and add a user. It's very straightforward. Add in an email. And then this is the level of access they have. So the person setting this up will probably be a company admin, but most other people will either be group admin, someone managing a team or an age group, um, or there will be a coach or a volunteer within that group. And when you select one of those, here we go, we'll ask you to add the group. And in the previous video, we saw how we added those groups. So here it's just a case of adding the group. If for any reason they are working across multiple groups, then we can assign a second group. And we scroll down here and save. There we go. That has created that user. They will then get an email. That user will then be able to log in, create a password, and from there, whenever they come into the app, whether it be on the website version or the app version, they will be able to start reporting instances and do pre-session checks against their group. And then they will end up on the dashboard of the company or group admins, so that they know that things are being done properly, and if there's any instances that need following up, there'll be a record of them on the dashboard here. I hope that's been helpful and look forward to seeing you in future videos.